Hey beautiful autumn souls, I'm back with another cozy crochet tutorial from my new Poker Motif series. This version is much easier and totally beginner friendly. This set includes 4 cards: spade, diamond, club card, and heart. Let's crochet together. I'm using cotton yarn. You can use any type of yarn you like. It's 15 gram and 165 meter. I'm using 2.5 millimeter crochet hook with it. You must choose the hook that matches with your chosen yarn. Okay. Make a magic ring around your finger. Insert your hook inside it. Grab a yarn, bring it out. Grab a yarn, pull through the loop. Here is our magic ring. Now we're gonna make 3 chains as a first double crochet. Now for the double crochet, wrap a yarn around your hook, insert your hook in the ring, grab a yarn, bring it out, grab a yarn, pull through 2 loops, grab a yarn, pull through 2 loops. Here is our double crochet. Now we need 10 more double crochet in the magic ring. Look, wrap a yarn around your hook, insert your hook, grab a yarn, bring it out, grab a yarn, pull through 2, grab a yarn, pull through 2. The total of our stitches in the end of the row must be 12 double crochet. If you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to tap that subscribe button so you won't miss my upcoming video. Your support truly means a lot to me. Let me count my stitches. Okay, close the hole by pulling up the loop in the middle and join with the slip stitch to the third chain. Here is our first round. For the round 2, make a chain, skip 1 stitch, wrap a yarn around your hook, skip 1 stitch. In the next stitch, make a double crochet. Now we're gonna make a 6 triple crochet in the same stitch. Wrap yarn around your hook twice, insert your hook in the same stitch with the double crochet here, bring it out, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Here is our triple crochet. We need 5 more triple crochet in the same stitch. Look, grab a yarn, pull through 2, grab a yarn, pull through 2, and grab a yarn, pull through 2. Wrap a yarn around your hook twice, insert your hook in the same stitch, grab a yarn, bring it out, and pull through 3 times, okay? Total of our stitches in this stitch actually must be 7 stitches, 1 double crochet and 6 triple crochet. Okay, now we're gonna make 2 triple crochet in the next stitch. Look here, 2 triple in this stitch, 1 and 2, 1 double crochet in next stitch, 2 double crochet in next stitch, the second one. In the next stitch we need 1 triple here, chain 1, again 1 triple in the same stitch. Now we're gonna make 2 double crochet in next stitch, 1 and 2, 1 double crochet in next stitch, 2 triple crochet in next stitch, 1, 2, 6 triple crochet plus 1 double crochet in next stitch. The first one, second one, the third one, fourth, fifth, And the last one of triple crochet, we need one double crochet in the same stitch with the triple. Okay, here's 6 and the same stitch, make double crochet, skip one stitch here, make a slip stitch in the first stitch. Okay, here, cut the yarn and fasten off. You can use this heart for your other project if you want. Use it for join it to your jackets, blankets, shrugs maybe. Okay, insert my needle under the third stitch. Look, first, second, here's the third stitch, bring it out and insert it again inside the first stitch and bring it out, and secure the tail of the yarn between the stitches and move between the stitches very slowly, and done. And also secure the tail of the yarn from the magic ring of the first, and after that cut the tail of the yarns very close to the sewing place. Okay, here is our heart. Bring your second color. I'm using dark gray actually. Make a slip knot on my hook and insert my hook in the back loop of the first stitch. Grab a yarn, bring it out from the loop and make 2 chains as a first stitch. Make 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Grab a yarn, bring it out, pull through 2, and now pull through 2 loops. It's as a 2 double crochet together. Okay, now we need triple crochet in the next stitch. Keep in mind that you must make your stitches in the back loop and third loop in this round. Okay, now we need 2 double crochet together in the next stitch. Look, here is the next stitch. Insert your hook inside the back loop and third loop of it. Okay, here, grab a yarn, bring it out, pull through 2, skip the last part, again make another one and pull through all the 3 loops. Okay, now we need 2 double crochet next stitch. Keep in mind that you must make your stitches in the back loop and third loop of it. Chain 2, 2 double crochet next stitch, 1 and 2. Now we're gonna make 1 half double crochet into each next 2 stitches. 1 half double crochet, look, another one in the next stitch. Wrap yarn around your hook, insert your hook in the stitch, grab yarn, bring it out, grab yarn, pull through 3 loops. Okay, we need 1 single crochet next stitch, half double crochet next stitch, double crochet next stitch, 2 triple crochet next stitch. Wrap yarn around your hook twice, insert your hook in the back loop and third loop of next stitch. Grab a yarn, bring it out, grab a yarn, pull through 2, and pull through 2. We need 1 more triple in the same stitch, 2 chain, 2 triple in next stitch, 1 and another one, 2. Now we're gonna make a 1 double crochet next stitch here, half double crochet next stitch, chain 1 and skip the chain space. In the next stitch make a 1 half double crochet. Now we're gonna make a double crochet next stitch, 2 triple in next stitch, 1 and 2. These stitches make our third corner. Okay, chain 2 and 2 triple next stitch, 1 and 2, double crochet next stitch, half double crochet next. Okay, single crochet next stitch, half double crochet next. Okay, another one, half double crochet next. For the last corner, 2 double crochet next stitch, 1 and 2 chains, 2 double crochet next stitch, now we're gonna make 2 double crochet together in next stitch. Look, first skip the last part of it, again make another one and pull through all the loops, make a triple crochet in the last stitch here. Okay, slip stitch in the first top of the first 2 double crochet together actually. Okay, here is our round 3. The total of our stitches in each side of a square must be 9. Make 3 chains as a first double crochet. Now we're gonna make 1 double crochet into the each next stitches until we reach to the corner in the chain 2 space. Just make 1 double crochet into the each stitches. In the corners, the chain 2 spaces, we need a 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet. Again, make 1 double crochet into the each next 9 stitches until you reach to the corner space. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends. I reach the corner, make 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet. Repeat this diagram until you reach to the end of the row. If you use this pattern for your project, I'll be happy to see your creation. Don't forget to send a picture of it to my email address. You can find the link of it in description below. Don't forget that you must make a double crochet in the chain 1 space too. Don't forget it. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. Just type the minute in the video where you had trouble and didn't understand, then ask your question. I'll definitely answer. I'm here to help you crochet prairie piece without any problem and to guide your step by step so you can become a professional crocheter. Continue with making double crochet in the each stitches of each side, 2 double crochet, 2 chains and 2 double crochet into the corner spaces. In the last stitches, 1 double crochet into each stitch. Okay, in the end, join with the slip stitch to the 3rd chain. Here is our square. From now you can make this square as big as you want by repeating the round 4, but I want to make a round with a single crochet. Make 2 chains as a first single crochet, and now I'm gonna make 1 single crochet into the each next stitches until I reach to the corner space in the chain 2 actually. In the chain two spaces, I need one single crochet, chain two, and one single crochet. Again, for the next side of my square, I'm just gonna make a one single crochet into the each stitches until I reach to the next corner. This round is completely optional. You can crochet it or skip it. It depends on your tastes and your projects. I prefer adding this round at the end of my motifs to make them look neater and prettier, both for the tutorial video and for the photography. Okay, continue with making a single crochet, two chains and single crochet in the chain spaces, and one single crochet into the each stitches of each round, each side of a square actually. Okay, if you're making this part, tell me what color would you choose for your own motif? The classic one, red with white or black, or you choose bright colors, maybe rainbow colors. Tell me in the chats. Okay, I haven't removed any part of this Poker Motif series, so everything is clear and complete for you with no missing steps. But if you still have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. I'll definitely reply them. Okay, the last stitches. And in the end, cut the yarn and fasten off with needle. Trust me, it's the best way to ending your rows. Look, I didn't join with the slip stitch to the first. Just bring my needle, insert my yarn inside it, and now look, here is the first stitch, here's the second, here is the third. Okay, insert my needle under it and insert it again inside the first stitch. Okay, actually the last stitch of the end, and ta-da, there's no sign of sewing. Okay, and after that, secure your tail of the yarns between the stitches. Just move very slowly between the stitches and don't push too hard the needle. Okay, cut the yarns and done. Here is our heart card granny square. We need to give it a few bursts of the steam for blocking it. Insert your motif on the table in the wrong side and hold the iron about 2 or 3 centimeters away from the crochet piece and release a few bursts of the steam over it. Then gently tap the piece with your hands and stretch it slightly from the all four corners to make it flat and neat. You can also do this on the blocking board if you prefer. Okay, that's it. Our heart motif is ready. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. The tutorial for the rest of the motifs are available in the Poker Motif playlist. You can find them in there. If you're not subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Love you all. Happy crocheting. See you. Bye.